Alright everybody, welcome back to another one. This time we're making badges. This is a very common use for the 2x4, and in this format we're doing portrait. If you'd like to see a landscape, I'd be more than happy to make that and have it available in the description to this video. Also, it'll probably be linked to the comment. So if you download this template and you're using it, you'll just need to replace the logos and any words. And if you have photos, obviously you can drop that in as well. This will probably be the last template I do. In the next part of this series, we're going to look at how to use these, and then I'll follow that up with how to add these to an Etsy store and show that side of this. Alright, so you see I have a couple options here. One is going to be with the whole punch out, and one without. I hope you get some use out of this. As always, thank you for all the comments, likes, and subscribes. Check the description for the 15% off code. It should be on screen right now as well. That'll wrap this video up, and I'll talk to you in the next one.